Now we will perform 7420. It is a 4 input NAND gate. Now you can see already inputs are 4 and 1 output, means one gate needs 5 pins. So this is the pin configuration of 7420. You can see pin number 1, 2, 4, 5. These are the 4 inputs of the first gate, and pin number 6 is the output of the first gate. Pin number 3 and pin number 11, no connection. These 2 pins will always remain vacant. You need not to put any connection on pin number 3 and pin number 11. Other things are like pin number 7 and pin number 14 are constant. 7 for ground for 0 volt. Pin number 14 for plus 5 volt for your VCC. 1, 2, 4, 5 inputs. Pin number 6 is output. And for other gate, pin number 13, 12, 10 and 9. These 4 pins will work as inputs, and pin number 8 is the output of the second gate. Now we will look at the truth table of NAND gate. I will show you the truth table of 3 input. From that you can evaluate the 4 input also. In 3 input NAND gate 7410 said the output is low when all the inputs are high. So in 4 input case also, when all the inputs will be high, 1, 1, 1, 1, output will be low. In other cases, the output will be high. Let's perform this on our kit ST2611 Digital Lab, keeping the knob at TTL. We have placed the IC 7420. This is pin number 1 input, pin number 2 input, 3 we have kept no connection, pin number 4 as input, pin number 5 as input, and pin number 6 as output. 7 ground, 14 VCC. Now we have kept the inputs at low. All the inputs are 0, 0, 0, 0. We will put the supply on. 0, 0, 0, 0, output 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0. In all the cases you can see the output remains 1. The output is high when all the inputs are low or any of the input is low. The output will remain high. So this is 0, 0, 1, 0. Now it will be 0, 0, 1, 1, output high. 0, 1, 0, 0. 0, 1, 0, 1. Now 0, 1, 1, 1. First input is low. All the other 3 are high, giving you a low output, high output. The output will be 1. Now 1, 0, 0, 0. Again output is high. 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1, 0. But if you look at the last input where all the inputs are high, 1, 1, 1, 1, output goes low. Output will be low only in last case. When all inputs are high, output will be low. In all other cases, the output will be high. 0 0 0 0 giving you the output 1. 7420